Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting everything ready and starting the machine now. Unbox Pancafe Pro and confirm the portafilter, steam wand, and water tank are present. Place the unit on a stable, level surface with about 20 centimeters clearance. Plug into a grounded 220-volt outlet. Fill the removable water tank to the maximum line with fresh, filtered water if possible. This prevents scale and improves flavor. Once done, turn the main power on and let the internal pump prime for about 30 seconds. You will hear a brief hum. Now install the functional parts and adjust key settings so extraction is consistent. Insert the correct basket into the portafilter, single or double, then lock the portafilter into the group head with a firm twist. Set the brew temperature to about 92 degrees Celsius. This balances acidity and sweetness. Next, prime and purge the steam wand by opening its valve for 3 to 5 seconds to clear trapped air. Make sure steam pressure builds steadily before attaching your milk pitcher. Once stable, you are ready. Finish setup by pulling your first shots and knowing one key fix if things go wrong. Grind and dose 18 grams for a double or 9 grams for a single, then tamp evenly with about 15 kilograms of force. Clean the rim and lock the portafilter. Pull a double shot for 25 to 30 seconds, watching the flow for even, honey-like crema until it lightens. If you have low or no pressure, check the water tank, confirm valves are open, and ensure the portafilter is fully sealed. That single check solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.